Most people get this wrong when choosing no annual fee cashback credit cards. They think zero fees automatically means maximum savings. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best card is not just free, it is the one that matches your spending habits and gives consistent cashback without hidden limits. In this video, you will learn the best no annual fee cashback credit cards in 2026, how they actually work, and how people are maximizing rewards without paying a single yearly charge. Let's get right into it. First, understand the core idea. A no annual fee cashback card gives you money back on your purchases without charging you just to hold the card. So when Alex uses his card for groceries, gas, or online shopping, he earns small percentages back that slowly build into real savings. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real difference between cards is not just the cashback rate, but where and how that cashback applies. Some cards give flat cashback everywhere, while others boost rewards in specific categories. But here's the problem most beginners face. They choose a card just because it has no fee and ignore cashback categories, caps, or activation rules. Then they end up earning far less than expected. Let's break down the top 6 types of no annual fee cashback cards in 2026. First, flat rate cashback cards. These give a simple percentage on every purchase. Easy to use and perfect for beginners. If John wants no confusion, this is the most straightforward option. Second, grocery-focused cashback cards. These give higher rewards on supermarket spending, but sometimes with monthly limits. Now, in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make with no annual fee cards that causes them to lose hundreds in missed cashback every year. Third, rotating category cashback cards. These change bonus categories every few months. If you track them properly, you can earn higher rewards, but you need to stay updated. Fourth, online shopping cashback cards. These are optimized for digital purchases like Amazon or other e-commerce platforms. Fifth, gas and transit cashback cards. These are useful for commuters who spend regularly on fuel or transport. Sixth, multi-category cashback cards. These offer moderate cashback across several categories without requiring activation or tracking. Now let's talk real-world usage. Popular examples in 2026 include cards like CD Double Cash style cards, Chase Freedom type cards, Discover style rotating cards, and other regional no-fee cashback options, depending on your country. The exact availability may vary, but the structure is similar. So, how do you actually maximize these cards? Step 1 is pick based on your biggest spending category. Step 2 is avoid missing activation offers, if your card requires them. Step 3 is always pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Step 4 is combine cards if needed for different types of spending. Here is a real example. Alex uses a flat rate card for general expenses and a grocery bonus card for weekly shopping. Instead of relying on one card, he splits usage and increases total cashback every month without paying any fees. So are no annual fee cashback credit cards worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you use them strategically instead of randomly. To wrap it up, the best no annual fee card is not the one with the biggest advertisement, but the one that matches your lifestyle and spending pattern. If this helped you, like the video, comment which category you spend the most on, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that help you save smarter every day.